Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So Wondershare releases new version of Filmora today, Filmora 11.4. New month and new update. Hats off to Filmora team for releasing big updates every month now. So in this update, other than bug fixes, they have specified 6 items that they have updated and we will go through them one by one. Let's start with title editing. So now you can add multiple borders and shadows for your title. For this, just add simple title first. We will add default title. Double click and go to advanced setting. Now it is showing what have they updated, that in enter the advanced editor to add multiple outline effects to the text and create a variety of creative fonts. So click advanced and now you can create another color. Select this and you can select another color. See this effect. You can select another color or you can do this. You can do this with outline also. Click here to change outline color, and you can do this with shadows also. Multiple shadows, you can add more shadow. So let's go to second number of list. On the second list we have quick preview, so let's cancel it, delete it. In the media tab, you can now skim your footage by just hovering your mouse over your footage backwards and forward. You see this? Now you can skim your video very fast. On third number we have export presets. So let's add this footage. Click export. Now you can save a preset. So let's click settings and now I can change it to something like 4K and now click save. Now I can save it as 4K video and save it. Now whenever I want 4K video I can select this and it will select this whole presets. Alright, let's close this. And now on fourth item we have AV1 next generation format for MP4. So you can select this from export and this will decrease your size. See this, HEVC 64, AV1 64 and MP4 has a size of 85 with same settings. So it reduces the size of your file. So on 5 number we have audio effects. Let's click effects and go to audio. Where is audio? We can click audio effects and now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 new effects which you can use. This is female voice, driving, AI robot, male, old radio, traditional robot, child voice. You can use them with your footage. And last but the not least, the most wanted update that people were asking from Filmora. You can now export part of your footage. So for example, if I want this part of only footage for reviewing the render, I can cut this and then cut this and select and click export selected clips, and now I can export part of the clip. Now if I want multiple parts I can click and select export selected clips, and now I can export all two parts. So if you like this video, share with your friends and like this video. Thank you very much.